Today's episode of Unbox This is a special NEWEGG exclusive, and I've got my VIP pass right here.
Miss, this is a CVS receipt.
I may have lost my VIP pass, but trust me, you guys, this is a NEWEGG exclusive. How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Today, we're taking a look at the Beyerdynamic Amiron Home Headphones, which are a NEWEGG exclusive. The Beyerdynamic Amiron Home Headphones make your living room sound like an actual live music event. You get the benefit of realistic audio from the comfort of your home. As a huge fan of concerts, this sounds pretty remarkable. Like other Beyerdynamic headphones, they use optimized Tesla technology to give you the best listening experience possible. These headphones are also crafted with comfort in mind, so you can wear them for hours. These headphones are calling my name. It's time to unbox this. Okay, let's jump in. So they have just a little description of what you're going to get with the Amiron Home Headphones, and then you can see this guy on here just lounging very comfortably. Right here we have the Beyerdynamic guarantee. Wow, look at this case. Nice. Ooh, these headphones. Okay, so one thing that stands out to me right away about these headphones is this soft band here. In the past, when I've unboxed Beyerdynamic headphones, they typically use like a metal band or something that has a faux leather cushion on it. So this is all like soft felt material, which really gives it kind of that homey vibe. It feels sort of cozy and comfortable, exactly how you'd want to feel if you plan on listening to some music or a podcast when you're just relaxing on your couch, like that guy on the box was. Now the ear cups here are also nice and squishy. They feel very comfortable. They feel very soft. We also have these headphone cables. All right, you guys, that's everything that comes in the box, so let's set these on up. The Amiron Home Headphones give you the opportunity to bring your favorite bands and artists to life without ever stepping foot into a concert venue. Using the cutting-edge Tesla technology, you'll get precise, balanced sound. Tesla technology modified the transducer to reduce unwanted vibrations and treble resonances. What's left is pure, clear music. Even the most critical music enthusiasts will be able to sit back and appreciate how their favorite song sounds through these headphones. The Amiron Home Headphones are high-res audio certified. They can handle high-resolution audio files and still retain all of their musical details. Basically, your music will sound as close to the original recording as it possibly can. Beyerdynamic really wanted to give music lovers the opportunity to experience music the same way they would at a live event. Since they're an open-back style, they produce a spacious, three-dimensional sound. What you get is super precise bass and clear highs with natural, realistic sounding spaciousness. And what that also means is that your Backstreet Boys binge sessions can be heard by people close by, but hey, there's no shame in that game, do you? Now these are a corded headphone, which may not be ideal if you plan on using them while on the go, but if you're just sitting at a desk or lounging on a couch, the Amiron Home Headphones could be perfect for you. And then the 3-meter stretched cable gives you plenty of room to move around and get your groove on. Look at how long this is, you guys. They have an impedance of 250 ohms with 102 decibel nominal sound pressure level. Overall, this is a high-quality headphone that's comfortable to wear for long hours at a time. If you're ready to bring the concert to your home, shop the Beyerdynamic Amiron Home Headphones at the link in the description. And remember, you guys, these are a NEWEGG exclusive and they're not gonna last, so add them to your cart right now. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching. We just unboxed this. Bye, guys.